Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product, and you can see this is KinCony E16v3. Because we have the older version, this is E16v2, and now we have released and designed this new version, and you can see this is v3 and this is v2. And in this video I will show you we have put some new innovation on this v3 board, and how it works with our software. Okay, I will show you the hardware design details firstly. Okay, let's look at this is KinCony E16v3. And before we have used this one, I think you can easily to understand. And this is E16v2, and it's an external relay module just used by this OMRON removable relay. So you can install your relay at here. So this is 16-channel version. And let's look at the size. The size almost is same. This is size. And this one, you can see, almost is same. Just this time, we have designed this cover, aluminum cover for this module. And you can see. And let's look at the size. This one, this is the size. And this inch unit. Okay, and this is size. Okay. And also support install on the DIN wheel, you can see. Support install on the DIN wheel. Okay, let's look at the hardware design details. And you can see this is relay output. And inside of this cover, we have used this OMRON relay. It's max 16 ampere. This board can use for 24 volt and use for 12 volt power supply, just according to this relay work voltage. So the PCB is same, just install different voltage of the relay. And you can see every relay that will have COM, normal open and normal close. This for first relay, and this for second relay. This is COM, normal open and normal close. So you can see that will have 16 channel for relay output. And this one you can see, this have menu control button. Later I will show you how it works, because if the system is broken, you can also use this menu control button to turn on and turn off relay manually. It's physical. And this time you can see this one, the power LD, and this running LD. And this time we have added this RS485. The board will support RS485 Modbus protocol. And this is power and RS485. And this is for RS485 address. So bit 1, bit 2, and bit 3 is for RS485. And the next, the SW. This SW switch used for enable or disable the RS485 function. If you have turned on, that is disable the RS485. If you have turned off, that is enable RS485. Because the board can trigger by this digital input. You can see this is digital input. This is for 16-channel digital input. This is COM, not ground. So this time we have designed, if your COM have connected with the ground, so this digital input short with power positive will trigger this relay. And if your COM is connected with the power such as 12 volt or 24 volt, so that the digital input short with ground will trigger the relay. And this time we have added this terminal. You can see this terminal also is removable. So you can extend this menu control button for long distance, 500 meters, no problem. And also this digital input also can extend for long distance, 500 meters. And just this terminal is for menu control button, just for this switch extend. And this is for digital input extend. So it's a physical one, and it work with the software, work with the firmware, and this work without software, without firmware, just physical. Okay, now I will show you how it works. Let's connect with this terminal. We can just plug it in. Okay, and you can see this I have connected with USB to RS485 adapter. So I want control by PC to turn on and turn off relay by Modbus protocol. And you can see I have connected this power supply. This is for 12 volt, and this you can see this is positive and negative. And this time I have connected with this COM together with this negative. So I have used this red cable, and for the power, if I short for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so every channel just I short, the relay will on. So if you have connected this COM with this power 12 volt, so every channel input just short with this ground will be triggered, turn on the relay. Okay, let's power on. And you can see this is power LED indicate. Now you can see I have not connected with the USB part to my computer. You can see this is menu control button. This can turn on relay. This you can see without software, just for emergency. Okay, and you can see this is also extend just this switch. So you can see if I shut with the ground, this is ground. This you can see is ground, and shut. You can see relay 1 is on. So this is for physical. And now you can see this is for digital input. Maybe you will connect with ESP32 MOSFET board. So you can use by this terminal is for the 12 volt or 24 volt or ground. This direction and positive and negative you can change, because this have shown this is COM, not is ground. This is COM. So you can see I have connected the COM together with the ground. So every digital input I can short with 12 volt or 24 volt. So you can see if I turn on relay 1, you can see I short at here 2, 3, 4, 5. So every channel will have 12 volt to trigger this relay. Just if you exchange the polar of this COM, so you can use a low level to trigger the relay. Okay, let's look at, and this is reset button for ARM CPU, and this board not made by ESP32, it's made by ARM CPU. And this is RS485 address. You can see off. This 3-bit is off. And let's look at my computer. This time I will connect with this USB adapter to my computer. Okay, let's back to my computer. You can see this is E16v3 board, and some details. You can see our web page and how to use and how to connect with the extender switch, and how to connect with the digital input all at here. And let's look at this is two situation. This is for different compound with a different polar. You can see this is for the COM is for ground, and this COM is for 12 or 24 volt. And you can see this is our PC software, and you can download from here. You can see I can click. This is our PC software, and this COM port I have connected with my USB RS485 adapter. And this one is bandwidth. You just choose this one and click open, and make sure you can see 1, 2, 3 all is off. This is RS485 address. You can see this address. Look at this. This 1, 2, 3 is off. 1, 2, 3 is off. So you will see the software also is off. Set to off. You can see turn on relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. This you can choose this board, because we also have designed this 8-channel version and 24-channel version. This time I have showed a demo in E16v3. Okay, you can see turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off, and turn all on, and turn off. Okay, if I change this address, because maybe you have connected some different board just according to the different RS485 address. For example, you can see I power off, and this time you can see if I change this 1 to on, off, 1 on, 2 on, 3 off, on, off. So you can see I power on again, and this time before you open this COM port, 1 is on, 2 is on, this 3 is off. So I can click open, and you can see turn on, turn on, turn on. So it can work. So it can work with a different address that you need to set by yourself, so that you will support multi-board in one RS485 bus. Okay, this is a PC software work by Modbus. If you want to write your code or integrate to your third-party device, you can use Modbus protocol, and you can see at here that is RS485 Modbus protocol for E16v3. You can see at here that is a standard Modbus protocol, so you can just connect to your PLC or other system is very easily. Okay, this is how to use the E16v3 and what's the new function and the new innovation in E16v3. If you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.